spice up something like a 10, 12, 13, 15-year relationship.
Role play.
Yeah.
Talaga?
And discuss it amongst...
Hindi mo pwedeng gulatin na nakakostume ka bigla, no?
Pasok ka lang, Sailor Moon!
Pwede
Pwede
mong
ba?
gawin. Yeah, pwede mong gawin yun. Like, nasa work yung asawa mo, and then pagdating, naka-made, ano ka,
Cuba,
sexy,
darating ka na
French
Cuba.
maid.
Jenny! I love you!
Ay,
Bottom na
Quasimodo.
yun!
You're right on my... I will show you the world!
Pwede naman.
Role play helps sa mga lalaki.
Yeah, I mean, that helps. But then ako kasi discussion eh. Like, you could talk about it, you open up.
Boring!
Discussion meaning, it's really...
You have to be honest, no?
May sequence kasi when you're having sex, there's a sequence, okay? So it's like, there's a certain style. Okay, missionary muna, then doggy, then on top, whatever.
Doon ko pinapass forward.
Change it up.
Hindi naman manunood.
Hindi, tsaka ano.
Change
dun-
it up,
minsan
change it up.
Minsan nakakakuha din ako ng students doon for pole. Kasi pole actually helps women, especially sensuality, especially yung mga babae na nanganak na, and then nagbabago yung relationship nila with their husband kasi parang na-focus yung attention nila sa kids, ganyan, and then bigla na lang malalaman nila magloloko yung mga asawa nila. But syempre kasi bakit nawala yung confidence nila sa sarili nila. So to bring it back, parang I suggest na they do, something for themselves also, like what form. Pole dancing is actually one of the things that they can do, or something na sexy para mabalik nila yung
pole sa bahay.
para
mo siya,
mabalik nila
nagpo-pole
yung
ka na, no?
mabalik
Ikaw
nila
yung
yung
nagpo-pole
confidence
dancing.
nila.
Tsaka yung relasyon nyo, hindi lang kailangan yung katawan yung diligan, pero yung relasyon.
Yung utak pwede
So monthly, you have monthsaries,
Date.
talk
Yes.
about yung
Go
like with
on holiday.
Massage, mamassage.
magastos lang yung holiday nito eh. Pero kami, monthly, usap kami, ano yung kailangan improve sa relasyon. Ano yung okay, ano yung swak, ano yung ganun. So, ganun.
Mahirap yung change position kasi dog style lang yung kaya namin ni GB.
Change up the position, change up the sequence. Kung pare-pareho the same sequence. Iba
Ikaw
yun.
naman yung
Ako
bottom.
naman yung dog. Yeah, ako naman yung dog side mo. Change position daw, sabi.
Ikaw naman
So,
yung bottom.
change it up. You have to spice it up.
Or maybe
Parang-
add some dildos. Yan.
So, paano
Saan ko
umorder sa
ilalagay yung
Shopee
Jimmy?
nun? Pero paano ba, kailangan ang secret ba talaga ay dapat bigyan mo ng confidence yung babae?
Yes.
Siyempre. Yeah.
Paano ang magandang mga approach?
Kunyari, if they gained weight, they got thicker or may insecurities. You go to the gym together. Uy, ako din. Sabayan mo tumaba.
Kaya
Magpataba ka
compliment.
din.
Wow, more of you.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi, kasi
Kasi
dalawa
pag kinompliment mo, may maintain mo yun.
Nagiging dalawa ka.
So just be honest from day
Lucky me.
one.
Makakap ko talaga twins eh.
Sabihin ko yan, uy, more of you.
Tatlong
diba,
pizza na lang,
diba?
threesome na to.
Uy, tuloy mo yan, makaka-discount tayo.
Isang nga.
Pero yun eh, you could join the journey. Uy, gym tayo, I'm gonna try something new. So make sure pag magkasama kayo, first time niya rin itry yun. First time mo din. Para hindi ka lamang, hindi competition. I-remind mo lang, uy, same team tayo.
Paano ka mga labet, Rico?
Ano nga, like,
Oo nga,
Mga labit lang siya, ganun lang.
Hindi, yung,
mga hints
paano ka
na-
magyaya ng sex?
Negroni.
Negron.
Parang hindi naman buha pala.
Kaya
Hindi
pala
naman siya
favorite.
buha pa siya eh.
Kaya pala favorite na ni Phoebe yung
Negroni lang.
What do you mean Negroni?
Yan din yung kay Bill Cosby. Wag na yan, pare.
Yan, iba yun.
Ano yung Negroni?
A drink.
Alam.
Oh, the Negroni. I thought a Negroni.
It's like, I invite her to go out. Let's go have fun.